Now let's look at how to customize the emails epicSnap sends to your customers. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Let's start by clicking the Emails to Customers tab from the submenu. By default, you'll land on the Emails Being Sent section. Just below these tabs, on the right side, turn on the Emails to Customers toggle. Once turned on, you'll see several email templates that you can customize. epicSnap already provides ready-made templates with content, which you can use as is or customize to match your store's message. These templates are grouped based on their purpose. The first group is review request emails, which invite your customers to leave feedback on their order. The second group is image request emails sent to your customers, asking if they'd like to receive a photo from the order recipient. The third group includes image request emails sent to the recipient, inviting them to share a photo back with the customer. All of these templates work in a very similar way, so once you learn how to edit one, the rest follow the same process. Let's open one example. Click the Ask Customers to Leave a Review for Delivery or Shipping Orders template. Inside this template, you'll see two versions of the email with an image and email without an image. Let's start with email with an image. At the right corner, you can click the Preview Email button to see a sample layout of how your email will look. This gives you a helpful reference as you customize your message. Next, you can edit the subject, which is the title customers see in their inbox. Right below that is the pre-header, a short preview line that appears next to the subject in the inbox. You'll also see the body intro, which appears above the order image in the email. Below that is the body, where you can write the main message you want customers to see. You can also use merge tags to automatically insert information like the customer's name or your store name into the message. If you'd like to learn more about how merge tags work, you can check out our guide linked in the description. Now let's look at the email without an image version. This version is slightly simpler and does not include the body intro section. Instead, it contains the subject, pre-header, and the body message where you can write your email content. Both versions can be customized to match your store's tone and message. Once you finish editing your template, you can send a test email to preview how the message will appear in your inbox before sending it to customers. When you're happy with how the email looks, click Save to apply your changes. As a quick tip, try to keep your subject line clear and friendly. Short, personal messages often get more responses from customers. Most of the other templates here can be edited the same way. If you ever need guidance, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic is always ready to assist. And if you'd like a demo or need extra support, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of your Epic apps.